people. Buffel, Isat, and Marlon Samuel's gonna kill me. If nothing to me, people are dead. Yeah?
No, we don't see them.
I'm out.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we're there with a hot one. A hot one in the morning. You don't know what. Thanks, Father God, say we have life. Alright, my people, you don't see Wagwan. Vybz Kartel Inc. The mad deal with Joe himself, my people. And the date has been set. Officially, December 31st. That is going to be the date of the Vybz Kartel Freedom concert. You understand, my people? So no know so enough for enough up the show. It a go mad. Alright, my people. But under that alone, we have another exclusive here. Right after Vybz Kartel Inc. him deal with Joe himself, the man touch pan a plane, my people. And you don't know. This is our Vybz Kartel have to say still. The man say about 12 years now is a blessing. So I'm going to make on the ear what go on. We so come back, my people.
No long me not travel private. I bad this. Our world, you know, man. Let's say badness there, no? No? Oh. That's my baby right there. You heard? You know Gaza Nation. After 12 years. Back above the clouds, you know? Sky life. My life badness. You know?
Alright, my people, you don't see what go on. Boss life. Inca big deal, and people word of it for say is a $4 million deal him signed with Joe. 4 million US, my people. That is 600 odd million Jamaican dollars. If you don't know, you understand? But I don't know if I saw it really got people, but that are the information what float around. You understand? So you can see Vybz Kartel him and say, yo, over 12 years now, him not do this. And of course, we know this. You understand? Because he was incarcerated for almost 13 years, my people. You understand? But Vybz Kartel is very busy, my people. You understand? You can't see him roll out. Him not, the man left him liar. The man roll out with Isat. You understand? You can see what go on. And maybe Vybz Kartel peek into the politician thing with Jamaica because, boom, look that. That is a known politician. Vybz Kartel a roll with in St. Vincent. You understand? So, big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. Alright, my people, so you don't know. The G go up on a plane and fly out. So we can only assume that he is working on his health. Right? I have a video, my people, and I go drop it right now.
No? Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
People. Buffel, Isat, and Marlon Samuel's gonna kill me. If nothing to me, people are dead. Yeah?
No, we don't see them.
I'm out.
Okay.
Ready?
People never give up on nothing in life.
Yes, my G. Go and get your health together. go and get that in check, cause we know said December 31st at the Big Bad Show. Alright? Yo, my people, wanna tell me what I have to say about that, and you don't know, mega beg gonna just like, share, subscribe on the video, my people. And wanna tell me what I go on, tell me if you no love the move of Vybz Kartel and make. Tell me if you no like how I get him health in check. You understand? Him a row with a big politician in a St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Nothing wrong with that. You understand? What you feel about the flight? You understand? All the best to your Vybz Kartel. Alright, my people, I don't know that alone, you know, when him land, him link up with Marlon, the great cricketer, because I mean, the cricketer there with him, I work out and be a sitting. You understand, my people? But, my people are right, yes, I'm going to jump off for the rest of the morning. Big up on yourself, Jamaican chat. I'm out.
You see that? My Life Logistics. Yeah, man, I'm there with the great Marlon song.
Up in the sky life.
Yeah, man. You see it? So I'm the artist and me are the cricketer. You know things get wickeder. Yeah, man, I'm My Life Logistics, man. Remember that. Keep it in mind in the struggle.
All right.
And nothing for walk on the gravel, no?
All right. Walk.
James, one thing. If you're a slim girl, you go hard.
I would have think, but I don't like the skin on it.
Yeah. Fruits, my thing there. I'm a fiancé, nipple. Healthy as fuck, no? Oh. Isat. I go van?
That is it, man.
What you mean? Fruits in me on the J. I can't make a whole heap of style for the. What they under your nose? I'm out.